Singer console, tabletop, radio, and phono player. The radio is shortwave and standard broadcast. Has all four original Singer Bakelite knobs, can be cleaned up. This whole unit's just been dusted off. It could use a more thorough cleaning. There's some dust. The unit's in working condition in that the radio does receive stations, and I can hear humming in the phonograph, but the actual plate does not spin. There seems to be some rubbing, but it does hum when I flip on the switch. It needs some restoration. Before I flip the unit on, do a quick walk around here. Some scratching in the veneer. Overall, it's in good condition. The back panel is still on. I did not remove it because it works, so I'm guessing the tubes are all there. Number 2-42. Guessing it could be 1942. So again, this is a Zenith console. Take a look at this side. There's some sun coming in here for some light, so the side's in a little bit better condition. Could use a cleaning, slight scuffing. Good veneer cabinet these were made of. Probably weighs probably about 25 pounds. The dial, radio and phono switch. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Really only works when I push this button in to get reception. These buttons do work and do pop out, but I haven't played around with it too much. So we'll get some volume.
President mentioning Big Bird and Elbow 13 times combined, but doesn't mention
it's a local Baltimore station.
On the information that we had ahead of time. On
volume does
not mentioned at all. Or the fact
has
that
good sound when it gets in.
7.8%. We still have a bunch of people looking for work.
As far as it's standard and shortwave, flip it over to shortwave. See if I can get anything. Turn it up a bit. I haven't messed around with it too much with the shortwave. I just got the standard going.
Queremos dar las informaciones de las actividades de la Iglesia del Príncipe de Paz. Queremos decir.
Those folks discounting the Department of Labor. No,
It's just one of those folks discounting the Department of
Labor.
Labor.
Thank you. But look, if last year we averaged
okay, so I'll flip onto the phono. You can see that everything is complete here. The arm. Flip it over to the phono. When you flip it on, you can hear the hum of the motor. Right there. This just won't turn. I'm not sure if I'm not doing it right, but it does look like it needs some maintenance. Alright, so here's this unit up close. Check out the pictures. There's a crack in the veneer right here, the upper left piece. The cord needs some work. Alright, thanks very much for looking at this nice Zenith tabletop phono unit. Up for auction this fall. Thank you.
I think they're running risk of over-preparing him.
Okay.
There's not a lot of room in there, in between those plugs and the ears.
And the Botox shirt.
Yeah, I mean, the oxygen's got to stay in there, too. So you've only crammed so much information.
See, 12 inches tall, 15 inches wide,
That's even possible. Not that the vice presidential debate will...
25 pounds.